Welcome, my name is a TCL20 5G, and today I'll show you how to put the device into recovery mode. And to get started, hold the power key and select power off. Once the device turns off, you want to hold power key and volume up at the same time. So let's do it right now, power and volume up. And let go of only the power key once you see the TCL logo. There we go, let go of power. Keep holding volume up, and once you see the recovery mode, you can let go of volume up as well. Now in this mode, you'll need to use both volume keys to navigate up and down, and power key will be used to confirm whatever is selected. And that being said, from here you can reboot the device, you can reboot to bootloader, enter fastboot mode, apply updates, wipe data or cache partition, mount system, view logs, run tests, and power off the device. Now whatever you select, like I mentioned before, you confirm with power key, and because I want to leave this mode, I'm gonna stick with reboot system now, press power key, and this will take me back to Android. And as you can see, we're now back in Android. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.